How to check your MyMcDonald's rewards points balance. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open McDonald's on your device. Here, simply click on the rewards and deals section at the bottom. Then sign in or sign up to your account. After you've done that, verification will be sent and you will be in the rewards points. And there, at the top right corner of your screen, you will find your points displayed. You can also scroll to see if any rewards are available for you to exchange with your points. And you will also see with how many points, what you get. And this is how to check your MyMcDonald's rewards points balance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.